Marquez. So, pinapakita ni Dunere, talagang 250 fighters na at mas deadly at bantamweight. Ito, round number 2 na po tayo mga kaibigan. At what is so, of course, by Nonito Donaire sa continue ang kanyang right hook. Tumba agad itong si Vladimir Sidorenko. Donaire dictating it. Sidorenko's right, cut the ring. Nakita mo bigla siyang trying to dig deeper si Sidorenko pero walang suntok na kasama. Remember, Sidorenko is not much of a power puncher. 7 knockouts in 22 victories. You can see the difference in power punches. Doon sa statistics. Dala lang ni Sidorenko dito sa labang to ay dati siyang world champion. At marami na rin siyang nakalabang mga boxer na magagaling, ano? Si King Kong Akbeko, good puncher, tinalo ni Sidorenko. Akbeko was then unbeaten in 21 fights. Despite moving up to this bantamweight division, malaki pa rin sa kanyang kalaban si Donaire. He is really victor. Even if the super flyweight, even if the flyweight, napakataas si Donaire sa kanyang weight class. You can see the face of Sidorenko. Sabi ko nga, mukhang puti-seko si Sidorenko. Oh my God, look at that face. He is well up and big. He is not wearing a mask. Ito si Sidorenko mga kaibigan, but that face is turning into a Halloween mask. Mga kaibigan, malapit na February 20, 2011. Nonito Donaire versus Fernando Morqueo para sa WBC at WBO bantamweight titles. Abangan niyo po yan Sunday sa ABS-CBN. Sidorenko red all over the face. The power of Donaire. Alam mo, in despite meron ng conditioning coach si Donaire, si Victor Conde, at nakikita natin yung role ng kanyang conditioning coach, yung kanyang strength coach, ano? Hindi kaya ito rin ang dahilan kung bakit parang mas may puwersa ang suntok ni Donaire ngayon, Anton. Yun na nga siguro, maganda ang kanyang kondisyon in this fight. Naman, uppercut ni Donaire thrown at difficult angle. Really keep it close box from Sidorenko as we end around.